live from Margaritaville Resort and Cottages. So of course, anywhere I go, I have to do a room tour. So let's get started. So here we are going into the living room. This is the layout when you first enter into the house, and I'm going to start from the upstairs and work my way down. Look at me go, getting in that cardio. Get it, girl. So first we're going to enter into the first bedroom. This is a king size bed with its own bathroom suite attached with the walk-in shower. Everything comes fully furnished and all of your necessities are there. So all you need to do is bring your toiletries with you and you will be set for however long your stay. And this is also a closet, which it comes with every room. Now we're moving on to the next bedroom. This is a queen size bed with its own closet as well. And the bathroom is a little different, whereas instead of a walk-in shower, it does come with a tub and a shower, which is really nice to accommodate all guests. Now, this is a 3-story home. Both of the floors are mirrored, so they look the exact same. And now I'm going to take you out onto the deck. Make sure you watch your step because I did not look and I almost face planted. But this is a view of the front of the house and it was really nice. Now onto the main level. So this is the living room and the kitchen dining room area. Now I will say all of the house layouts are different. It does come with a half bath on the main floor, so if you have like guests over, they don't have to be going all in your room and getting all into your stuff. Here's also a laundry room because who wants to take dirty laundry back from a vacation? Not me, I tell ya. Now I'm going to show you the backyard. Now something interesting that comes along with the house, it comes when you open up the back door. If you do not press this button, an alarm will go off to notify you. So it's really good if you have small kids, to especially if you have a pool in the backyard, to let you know that they are going outside. Anytime any of these houses open the door, you know they were going outside because the alarm is that loud. And this is my backyard. This concludes my tour. I have made it to Universal Studios. The first stop was the Today's Cafe because I haven't eaten all day and I need to get something in my stomach before we started riding. So I got the Hoda's Chop sandwich with a side of potato salad and it was so good. I recommend you trying it if you go. Now we are entering into Minion Land. If you do not know, I am a big Minion, Despicable Me fan. I have seen all the movies and I will be going to see Despicable Me 4 when it comes out. But oh my gosh, look at all of the details that they put in. I loved all of the decor. It really makes you feel like you're in the movie. We did go on 2 of the rides. I don't know if there was more rides, but it was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. And oh my gosh, look, it's my guy Vector. Oh yeah. But this is the other part of Minion Land going into New York City. I loved all of the details that they put into the Minion Land. This is us catching the train to the next park of Island Adventures. Instead of us walking, we decided to ride the train and get a little show while we're on it. So enjoy the little snippet of the show that I caught for you. Now this is me on the Popeye ride. I've absolutely loved the Popeye ride ever since I was a kid. And now this is us drying off. We've entered into Cosmic Land where we ate at the diner and the food was so good. I'm not even gonna lie. I think Universal's food tops Disney by far. This is us in Seuss Land riding the Cat in the Hat. I am a big fan of the Cat in the Hat. I absolutely love the movie. If you haven't seen it, watch it. But this is us on one of the little rides over Seussland, enjoying the view, getting a little break off your feet because we're absolutely tired. We've been hitting the park from 11, now it's almost 8 o'clock and the park closes at 8, so we've done a whole day. Let me tell you, our feet are killing us. But this is us saying goodbye to Islands of Adventure and us going back. We just left. This is the other side of the boardwalk that we entered into the right side, so now we're walking out the left. This is Voodoo Donuts. I wanted to get a Voodoo Donut, but the line was absolutely too long. We were so ready to go. So that was our day at Universal. I was in Target and I saw this hat, so of course I had to get it. But I've really been turning into a really big hat girly. Like, this is a hat that I got. I thought it was so cute. And this is another hat that I really like, but then I was like, where would I wear it to? So I didn't end up getting that one. Instead, I just got the sparkly one. Here's a little bird I thought was so cute, but we are now trying to find somewhere to eat for dinner. We did not end up eating at the Rainforest Cafe, but we did have to stop in this store because I just love the Christmas time and looking at the different ornaments that they had for this season. But we did decide to stop at Planet Hollywood to eat dinner. It was such an experience. Like, I've never been there before. The food, amazing. The entertainment, amazing. And look, this is the dessert. How crazy is that? And just like that, we're back from vacation. So I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, you have a different hairstyle. Okay, I did my hair. And I also did my vacation hair. I just want to say thank you guys so much for checking up on me. I, like a lot of y'all, have been like, girl, where are the vlogs? And thank you so much for keeping me accountable. I'm here. Well, I'm so glad that people actually watch my videos and actually enjoy it, because like I was wondering, like, do people even like them? But y'all have motivated me to keep pursuing my passion, and that's what I'm gonna do. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload, and also share to a friend or a family member, because who knows, maybe they'll like the videos too. Until next time, see you later.